Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright, we are secured. It's already 8 seconds in, but we got that pretty close, I believe. Go, baby, go. 1.126 amps at the cell. Minute in, looks like we're over half full. Almost there. We're gonna call it now. All right. $137.7. Let's check these diodes. Diodes are warm. They are not hot. Diode is just a little warm, not hot. Cables, cool to the touch. Cells, cool to the touch. Let's check some temperatures over here. Remains cool. Our MOSFET heatsink is cool. Our resistor is cool. This is a cold system here. Probably the only thing generating any amount of heat whatsoever, which this thing's also cool to the touch, would be my DC power supply. And I think this thing will do 10 amps, maybe more. Let me make sure you guys see that. 1 minute 37 seconds. 500 milliliters of HHO at 1 amp consumed at the cells.